Hi, I'm Ronke, and this is Makeup Therapy.
As much as we talk about our wins, I think it's also important to talk about losses. And I got rejected by a management company yesterday. And it's so funny because, this is not the first management company I've got rejected. So, it's not something that I will say it doesn't hurt, because it does. But in my head, rejection is always like, you think I can't do something because you see where I am right now, but I believe that I can. And I know, sometimes it takes delusional faith to believe in yourself, especially in content creation, because even though I have numbers and even though I know that it has nothing to do with my talent, I still have that little part of me that reverts back to, am I good enough? And sometimes we are the people who know ourselves the most, and we know what we've been through. And I think what tends to happen, especially when there's a rejection, is give up. You've been doing this for such a long time. Why do you keep trying at it? But what I've noticed is there's a lot of successful people. And when I say successful, I don't mean money. I mean success in terms of comfort. For me, success is comfort. And I've started redefining what I feel like that means, even comfort. And there are times in your life where you look and you're just kind of like, bruh, should I give up? And for me, it's just not an option. The goals that I have in my head, I just genuinely think that there's no way I can give up on them, regardless of what happens. And I don't know why. It's because I know I'm made for this. I know that a lot of people talk about nobody really knows their purpose, and we're all just, I genuinely believe that I'm meant to be a creative in this life. Every single time I have a creative project or I do something creative, I know how I feel. There's an internal compass that always leads me. Feeling like an uphill battle for me for such a long time. And any other regular person will quit. But for me, I can't. I have no option but to continue and see it through.